What would be your dream job?
I want to be an archaeologist, so that's why I chose agricultural studies. I think this is an interesting job with artifacts and combining physical and rational activities.
What do you think? It's difficult to find job for young people or just graduated specialists in Lithuania?
Yes, I think it's hard to find a job for young people in Lithuania, because Lithuania's employer wants to get a good specialist with excellent skills and work experience.
What is your ambitions in 3-5 years period?
I think it's a long period for me. At first, I wanted to finish my studies, and later I will see what to do. I think our generations live in that time when you can't know anything about your future.
Do you see your future in Lithuania?
Let's see. I think that no, because it's really hard to find a job with my specialty.
Would you be interested in qualified job opportunities in neighboring countries' border regions?
Yes, if I get a good job proposal. But I think that the biggest obstacle for me is a language barrier.
If you choose to work in abroad, what you prefer, immigration or commuting to job in abroad on short time period?
I prefer a commuting to job because when you work like that, you can keep a good relation with your family and friends, and in the same time create your life in your homeland.